Hi everyone, in this video, I am going to show you how to unsuspend Instagram account. So when you open Instagram and you see this notification, we suspended your account on the specific date. And you see here there are 30 days remaining to disagree with this decision. So only 30 days. Then what does this mean? Your account or activity on it doesn't follow their community guidelines. And then your account is not visible to people on Instagram and you can't use it. So what can you do? When you receive a notification or message like this is to disagree with decision. So if you think that they made a mistake, you have 30 days after they suspended your account to disagree with the decision or your account will be permanently disabled. So you have to take or make an action or disagree with the decision within 30 days. Now, if you go to your Instagram or if you go to any web browser and then type suspended Instagram, it will just give you the information on why they have suspend your account. And it's the same thing. All you have to do, or in order for you to unsuspend your Instagram account, is to disagree with their decision. Here in Help Center, you will see the reasons why they have suspended your account. So, threats to harm others, maybe you have posted something that can bring any harm to individual or accounts doesn't follow their community guidelines or terms of service. These are the reasons why, or this could be the reason why they have suspended your account. So if they have suspended your account, then probably you will receive that notification or that message. And all you have to do is to disagree with their decision. Once you have disagreed with their decision, you will see this notification that you have submitted or you submitted an appeal on this specific date. And it usually takes them just like maybe a day to review your information. And then they're going to check if your account doesn't violate any community guidelines. So what happens next? They will review and then they will take a look again with your account, and that's it. You just have to wait for their final decision, and you just have to hope that your account will be unsuspended soon, especially if you know in yourself that you haven't violated any community guidelines or terms of service. So I do really hope that this video helped you. If it does, then please do like and subscribe. And if you want to create or if you want us to do some tutorials, please do comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.